Make rich, creamy avocado ice cream at home without any refined sugar. Have you tried it yet? Hi, I'm Tracy. If you enjoy cool, refreshing desserts, but worry about them being too sweet and loaded with refined sugar, then today's avocado ice cream recipe is for you. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make smooth, naturally sweet avocado ice cream right at home. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to prepare a rich and creamy avocado mixture by taking 2 ripe avocados, cutting them in half, removing the pits, peeling off the skin, and cutting the flesh into small pieces. Avocados are naturally rich in healthy fats and have a wonderfully creamy texture, making them a perfect ingredient for homemade ice cream. They also provide fiber and potassium, which are important nutrients for overall health. Once they are cut, place all of the avocado pieces into a blender. Next, add 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice not only adds a fresh flavor, but also helps slow down oxidation, preventing the avocado from turning brown too quickly. To create natural sweetness and aroma, I like to use 1 ripe banana. Peel it, cut it into small pieces, and add it to the blender with the avocado. The riper the banana, the sweeter the ice cream will be. Bananas help sweeten the ice cream naturally without the need for a lot of added sugar. They also make the texture smoother, enhance the natural aroma, and help create a more balanced creaminess. Since the kids in my family prefer a sweeter taste, I will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. If you do not like your desserts too sweet, the banana alone is enough. Honey is a better choice than sugar because it adds a pleasant floral aroma. Unlike refined sugar, honey contains a small amount of natural antioxidants. Next, add about 1/4 cup 50 milliliters of coconut milk. Coconut milk brings a rich, creamy flavor. Especially when combined with avocado and banana, it gives your ice cream a delicious tropical flavor. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, place the lid on and blend until the mixture becomes completely smooth and creamy. The mixture will gradually become thick, silky, and evenly blended with a beautiful light green color. And that's it for the avocado mixture. Now let's move on to the rich and creamy ice cream base. Pour 1 1/4 cups 300 milliliters of whipping cream into a large bowl and beat it until the cream becomes light, fluffy, and slightly thickened. Whipping the cream helps create a smoother, fluffier texture. It also reduces the formation of ice crystals during freezing, giving the ice cream a softer, creamier mouthfeel when you enjoy it. Once the cream is ready, slowly pour in the avocado and banana mixture we prepared earlier. The light green color will immediately blend into the cream, creating a beautiful and appealing color. Continue mixing until all the ingredients are fully combined. Then pour the avocado ice cream mixture into a container and spread it out evenly. You can gently tap the container on the counter to release any trapped air bubbles. This is a simple trick I often use whenever I make ice cream or soft-baked desserts because it helps create a smoother texture without air pockets inside. To make your ice cream more flavorful and enjoyable to eat, prepare a small amount of pistachios and chop them roughly. There is no need to chop them too finely. Just break them into smaller pieces so you can still enjoy their flavor and crunchy texture when eating the ice cream. Once they are chopped, sprinkle them over the surface of the ice cream. Then place the mixture in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours. If you have the time, leaving it overnight will give you even better results. After a few hours in the freezer, your avocado ice cream is finally ready. As you can see, the ice cream has a beautiful color, and there are no ice crystals on the surface. Now scoop the ice cream into a cup, and you'll notice how smooth and creamy it is with no icy crystals at all. It's absolutely delicious, and every bit as good as the ice cream you would get from a shop. Go ahead and taste the result of your own hard work. The texture is smooth, rich, and full of avocado flavor, giving it a wonderfully velvety feel in your mouth. You'll clearly taste the natural sweetness from the banana and the subtle aroma of the coconut milk. The most enjoyable part is the little pieces of pistachio mixed throughout, adding a fun crunch in every bite. You can enjoy this ice cream on its own, or serve it with fresh berries, sliced bananas, granola toasted coconut, or even a drizzle of honey. It also pairs wonderfully with oatmeal pancakes or a warm slice of banana bread, making a simple yet delicious dessert or a perfect afternoon snack. And that's how you can make rich, creamy avocado ice cream at home without using refined sugar. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a refreshing dessert that is naturally sweet, smooth, and full of flavor. I hope this recipe gives you a healthier option whenever you're craving something cool and delicious. If you decide to try it, I'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy homemade recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.